Welcome to CloserConnect. CloserConnect is the fastest, easiest way to send files, videos, and content of any size to your clients or prospects. Using a personalized portal you can build in under 2 minutes. I'll show you exactly how to get up and running and start connecting with your customers in a whole new way. Let's get started. CloserConnect offers 4 different types of projects that you can build and share: sales, support, learning, and file sharing. Think of the project types like preset categories for your CloserConnect projects. Some of them have special features baked in, like learning projects that have more robust completion reporting, and file sharing, which allows visitors to upload their own content to your page. So pick whatever project type best fits your needs from the colored tabs here on the dashboard to switch between them. Click New Project and give your project a name. Already have something similar? You can clone an existing project right here. For now, we'll start fresh. Next, choose a template. You can change it anytime. Each template includes a built-in background, but you can easily make it your own. Click here to upload a custom image. For best results, use a large, high-quality image. Add your logo or graphics by browsing, selecting, or dragging and dropping. Resize it however you like. Once you upload any file, it's automatically stored in your CloserConnect cloud, making it instantly available for any future project. Add your contact information here, and just like your logo, it will automatically carry over to every new project. Now let's name the project and style it to match your brand. You can also add a personal message for your client or prospect, a quick thank you, instructions, or key details about what they're about to view. While in edit mode, you can make changes to your CloserConnect page that will be reflected in real time. It's quick and easy, with no need to run a server or hire a tech expert. Now for the good stuff, your content. Upload proposals, documents, images, videos, anything digital. Just drag and drop or browse and select. The first time you upload a file, it's stored securely in your CloserConnect cloud, making it instantly available for any future project. Rename items, customize the text, adjust the layout. You're in full control. You can even add links to external websites or connect this page to another CloserConnect project. Have a lot of content? Use headers to organize everything and keep the experience clean and easy to follow. When you're ready, click Preview to see your page come to life. CloserConnect pages are fully responsive, so they look great on desktops, laptops, tablets, and phones. Ready to send it out? Click Share. Choose how you want to send it. Make it public. Lock it with a password. Or send a secure email invitation. Your recipient receives a link to the page and a unique passcode to access it, and you'll be notified the moment they view it. Want insights? Head to Analytics. See exactly when the page was viewed, how many people viewed it, what they clicked on, and what was downloaded. Want to limit download access or allow uploads? Head to Share Settings. Disable downloads with one click, or enable file sharing to let clients upload files directly to your page. Now collaboration is fast, simple, and secure. And that's it. You can start for free and create up to 5 unique pages. Need more? Subscribe for $9.99 per month for up to 25 pages, or $19.99 per month for up to 50 pages. Have questions? Visit our website or email us at info@closerconnect.com. Thanks for watching, and welcome to CloserConnect.